In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells containing specific text in Google Sheets using the COUNTIF function. This is a really handy tool for organizing and analyzing large sets of data efficiently. So whether you're tracking progress, managing inventories, or just tidying up some lists, mastering this function will undoubtedly be beneficial. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is understand the underlying principle of the COUNTIF function. Essentially, this function allows us to count the number of cells that meet a particular condition or criterion within a specified range. It's incredibly useful for quickly summing up the number of entries that fit a given description. We'll start by typing the function itself into a cell. To do this, you'll begin with an equals sign and then type COUNTIF, all in capital letters, opening up the function with a parenthesis right after that. Next, we'll input the first parameter, which is the range of cells you want to search through. This is the area of your spreadsheet where you're looking to find your specific text. Simply click and drag to highlight the cells that make up this range. After you've selected your range, it's time to tell the function what exactly we're counting. You'll do this by adding a comma followed by your criterion. In many cases, this criterion can be a specific word or a phrase in quotes, but to make our counting dynamic, we're going to do something a little different. Instead of typing the criterion directly in, we're going to reference a cell where we can input different text each time. This means you can just update that one cell, and the function will automatically count based on whatever new text you enter. Simply click on the cell you wish to use as your reference, and its address will appear as the criterion in the formula. Once you've set up both your range and your criterion within the COUNTIF function, it's time to test it out to ensure everything's working smoothly. For example, let's search for the word math to see how many students are taking math in our dataset. Simply type math into your reference cell and you'll immediately see the result in the cell where you entered the function. And there you have it, your magic number. You've successfully used the COUNTIF function to determine how many entries contain a specific text. With this approach, you can not only quickly search for different entries by adjusting a single reference cell, but also apply this versatile function across a multitude of scenarios. This concludes our tutorial on using the COUNTIF function in Google Sheets to count cells containing specific text. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tips on making the most out of your data in Google Sheets. Happy counting!